A very good morning to all of you. Today in this session we understand our topic Heron's formula. This is chapter number 12 and related to our class 9th. First we have to tell us about triangle. What is a triangle? A triangle is a closed figure made up of 4 line segments. Let us suppose I write here A, B and C. AB is the first line segment, BC is the second line segment and AC is the third line segment. It means, and this is a closed figure. It means triangle is a closed figure made up of 3 line segments, or we can also say that a closed figure in which 3 vertex are A, B and C. These are called the vertex of the triangle. A, B, C are the vertex. Now a closed figure which have 3 vertex are called as triangle. Now there are types of triangle on which we can classify them. First, on the base of side. On the base of side. Second, on the base of angles. On the base of side, triangle is of 3 types. I am writing here. As we are very well know, a triangle has 3 sides. If all sides are equal, then the triangle type is equilateral triangle. And when 2 sides are equal, and one unequal, then the types of triangle is isosceles triangle. And the third is a triangle which have all 3 sides are unequal, or in another word we can say that if a triangle have all 3 sides are different to each other, 3 sides are unequal, then the triangle is scalene triangle. Okay. Now on the base of angles, as we are very well know, on the base of triangle, on the base of angles, the triangle is of 3 types. One is acute angle triangle. A triangle in which all 3 angles are acute angle, then we can say that the triangle is acute angle triangle. As we are very well know, the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Second is right angle triangle. A triangle in which one angle is right angle, then we can say that the triangle is right angle triangle. Third is obtuse angle triangle. A triangle in which one angle is obtuse, and obviously the another 2 angles are automatically acute angles, then we can say that the triangle is obtuse angle. In this chapter we understand the area of triangle with the help of Heron's formula. So we have to use the sides of the triangle. Okay, now we performing our questions. I am writing some formulas which are related to this chapter. Formulas. Area of equilateral triangle. As you are very familiar with the term area. Area means the space occupied by this triangle. Okay, I am shading this part. This is known as the area of the triangle. Now area of equilateral triangle equals to under root 3 upon 4 multiplied by side square. In equilateral triangle all sides are equal to each other, then we put side as our suitability. Second is area of right angle triangle equals to 1 upon 2 into base into altitude, or you may also write as height. I am drawing the figure. This is the right angle triangle A, B, C. This is known as the hypotenuse, and this is known as the base, and this is known as the altitude or height. When we have to find the area of right angle triangle, we have to use the formula 1 upon 2 into base into altitude. Now we are using the formula, Heron's formula. The Heron's formula is used for scalene triangle as well as equilateral triangle, for finding the area of scalene triangle, for finding the area of isosceles triangle, or finding the area of equilateral triangle. We can apply Heron's formula in 3 triangles also. Area of triangle equals to under root S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. I am clarifying what is the value of S, A, B, and C, where A equals to first side of triangle, and B equals to second side of triangle, and C is equal to third side of triangle. Okay, and S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. We can also use the term S as semi-perimeter. S is also known as semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Now we are performing questions which are related to our chapter. First we perform question number 3. This side is 11 meter, this is 6 meter, and this is 15 meter. I am naming them A, B, and C. Obviously you are known that all sides are unequal to each other. It means the type of triangle is scalene triangle. I am reading the question. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted to some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. Okay, if the side of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in the color. Now we have to find, इसमें मिडिल में हमारे पास एक वैल्यू लिखी है, keep the park green and clean. Keep the park green and clean. Now we have to paint this area only. Okay, I am coloring this part. Okay, now we have to find the area of this triangle. So by using Heron's formula we can simplify this. Let us suppose A equals to 11 meter, B equals to 6 meter, and C is equal to 15 meter. Okay, now we have to find the value of S. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Now we have to add these number, 11 plus 6 plus 15 upon 2. Now divide these number, we get 16. Okay, now we are using area of triangle ABC, or you can use area of triangle, area of scalene triangle equals to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Put the value. When you put these values, we get the value of s is 16, 16 minus 11, 16 minus 6 and 16 minus 15, okay, is equal to square root of 16. When you subtract 16 by 11, we get 5. 16 minus 6, 10, and 16 minus 15 is equal to 1. Okay, now we have to prime factor these numbers. No need to be multiplied for this. Okay, we have to find the prime factors of this number. 16, okay, 5 का फैक्टर 5 होता है and 10 का फैक्टर 2 into 5 into 1. Okay, now common out. From one pair we have to common out a single digit because here is the sign of square root. Okay, and first we have to take 2 into 2, only 1 2 is come outside. Among these 2's only 2 also come out. From these both 5 we have to common out only 1 5 and square root of 2. Multiply these number. 20 under root 2 centimeter square. This is the area of this portion. Next video we understand the other concept also. Okay, thank you.